Hi guys, this is Usama and today we are going to review Nissan Tiida 2013 model in Kenya. This car is available in Kenya in two versions. One is hatchback and second is saloon. The hatchback version called Nissan Tiida and the saloon version called Nissan Tiida Lacio. And the Nissan Tiida Lacio has only the difference in the body exterior. Otherwise all the features are the same. This car has been in production in 2004. Since in 2004, and now this is this car we are going to review its first generation. The first generation is from 2004 to 2011 and it's called C11. So now we are explaining you about its feature, exterior, interior, engine capacity and the parts availability of this car, what is the price, what is the competition of this car in the market and what is the demand of this car. So be with us until the end of this video and we will tell you about everything about this car. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Let's start our review. In our exterior, we will show you there is a one main headlight that covers one HT light and one side indicator. And this one is pretty simple design. It doesn't have any different and any different tough look. It's just a simple design by the Nissan Tiida. And if we talk about the front grille, it has three chrome plated layers, 1, 2 and 3. Just gives the efficient look. Otherwise, if we talk about the bonnet, it has two curves. The back side is wider and if we talk about this one, it's pretty slim down here with the two curves here. If we talk about this is the logo of the Nissan and that is pretty well shaped in the center of the grille. After that, if we talk about the bumper has lower grille with the material of plastic, and beyond this you can find it also has a plastic material from spoiling it from down. So after that, if we go here, here we saw the space for the fog light, and this space is available to put your fog light. If we are going to buy the latest version in second generation, so the fog light is available from the built-in by the company. So if we talk about the side exterior of this car, it's pretty simple because it's a reality. This is a basic car of this Nissan Tiida and it doesn't have very elegant shapes and cuts in the body. The exterior is pretty simple as designed by the Nissan, and if we saw there is a fender and fender there is a side indicator sign. If we talk about the gates and the side mirror, there is no side mirror indicator given by the Nissan. If we compare this car to the other like Mazda Exela and Volkswagen Golf, so they will provide the exterior here. If we talk about the gate are very pretty simple. Down here you just found the plastic material foot panel. It's just only to don't spoil the gate very early. So this tire has the combination of 185, 65 and R15. So 15 inch of tire this car has, and if you find this car, most of the cars are in Kenya is with the wheel cup, plastic wheel cup. So we recommended you have to change this wheel cup into the alloy wheel to increase the efficiency, because if you put the alloy wheel, so it will give you the fuel efficiency around 15 km per liter. So this car must be driven with the alloy wheel. It will give the customer very good and effective fuel consumption and the road grip. So here we are going to explain you the boot of this car. Initially we start the spoiler given by the Nissan top spoiler, the back wiper, and this one is a good feature. I like it, these two features. and here's the logo and the name of the car. If we talk about the car light design, it's very beautiful, and if we compare this light to other cars like Exela and Volkswagen and its competitors, so this light is very beautiful and I like, because it has round curve here, and that is indicator light, and these two are brake light. So the design is very beautiful. And if we go beyond, so I open this boot for this car. The boot is very unremarkable because it can be adjusted to medium size of suitcase, and also get the spare space. If you have a more luggage, so you can flatly folded this seat, so you can create more space for your luggage. Now we are going to explain the engine capacity and engine condition of this car. The Nissan Tiida is coming with 3 engine versions, such as 15S, 15B or 15G. The 15S is used for the base version that we are reviewing right now, and the 15G is for the Toyota Lacio, as I told you before, as Salon version. And the second thing, 15G is used for 1.8 liter fuel capacity. After this, the base engine of this car is 1.5 15S 1.5 LDCI 15 engine 1500 cc. This engine has DCI, and it has 1.5 liter engine capacity. The fuel consumption of this car is very pretty good, because it can do 15 km per liter. It's very impressive. And if we are talking about the acceleration, so it's do 0 to 100 km in just 11.2 seconds, very fast. So this car engine has very effectiveness as compared to the other competitors. Now we are going to start the review of the interior of this car. We are going to start with the steering of this car, and you see this is a pretty simple and standard steering that given by the Nissan, and there's a very small logo put in by the Nissan, and it's not giving you a very attractive look. But the other things I will show you, the dial, the 3 dial of audiometer. The center dial show you the speedometer, and the left side dial is showing you the RPM of this car, and the right side dial showing you the mileage, the fuel, the seat belts notifications, and other notifications given by in this dial. You want to change your mileage, you can press this button and it's move on. If we talk about this button, there is a eco mode button. If you push this, you found there is a eco mode activate, and if you close this, the eco mode will be closed. In order to review the center dashboard of this car, there is 2 air vent here that is very specifically designed in dashboard, and after this 2 air vent you can found here. There is a very effective thing, you can found the storage here for putting something in just upside of the radio or your navigation. Below here you can found your radio, and you can open your radio here. If we talk about the this AC function, here is 2 dial. We are going to move the temperature. We are also using this, and this one we use for on the AC, switch off the AC, and this one I use for switch off the hall function. If I move this one, so start again. So this function is differently designed by the other cars. There is the AC mode, there is other modes you can change, and you will clean your car. There is for wind air to clean your fogs. If we talk about the down here, so here we found the storage for wheel cup holder. This is a gear knob, okay, and after this here we found the armrest. It has 2 functions. One is you can open the armrest and fill your space whatever you have, and after this you can also put your all armrest, and down here there is a space for your storage. You can also found so if we talk about the back seats, I really like it because these seats are very comfortably designed. The fabric, the space, you see it has a big room from the leg side, and if this seat is more back as compared to this one, but the leg room is very comfortable. Either we have a beam in center of the seats, but very comfortable seats. If we talk about in small cars, you see this has two cup holder, and this feature is not available more than is not available in the comparison of this car like Exila and other cars. A very beautifully manage the back seats and the front seats, driver and passenger front seat, and these seats are really likable from the customer if they are going to prefer this car. So as you seen, we are reviewing this car in detail, its exterior, interior, its engine. So now I tell you about its major things, what is the demand of this car, and what is the status of parts availability. So first we talk about the parts. The parts of this car is available in very familiarly, because engine parts are very available familiarly. You can found in cheap cost, but if you go with the exterior body part, these are very expensive. In Kenya, this car has low demand in the Kenya, because in this price you can get other very good features of cars. If you talk about the price around 750 to 800 you can shilling, Kenyan shilling, 750,000 and 800,000 shilling, Kenyan shilling, you can get this car. Now we are explaining you everything about its parts availability, cars demand in the market of Kenya, exterior, interior. So hope you will be guided properly after this review. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and wait for the next video.